Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 7 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find About device. Now let's scroll down again to find the version option and the build number. We need it in order to activate the developer mode. So all we have to do here is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. And if you've got any kind of screen lock, then enter it in order to confirm. And as you can see, we are in the developer mode. So now we can go back to the general settings and tap on system settings. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see here, we've got the developer options. So let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show view updates, we can show surface updates, the visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options connected to Bluetooth or overall to the networking. As you can see, we've got the USB or the Wi-Fi. So quite a lot of settings, and if you'd like to turn on particular option, just tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, if you'd like to turn them off, just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see, most of the options are inactive, and after getting back to the system settings, the developer options will disappear from this list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your Oppo Reno 7 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.